Hello guys, you'll be welcome back to my channel. I said you'll be welcome. Alright, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be creating this flyer. I don't want to take time. So I already have my elements here. All you just need to come to this area, this third one, 2 squares, come to from gallery. Then you have your, so you just save it. So the next thing I'll just come here and reduce the saturation. I'm selecting this one now. Okay, so before we go on, I just want to let you know I'll be hosting a graphic design training on how you can design using your smartphone. If you want to boost your graphic design skill or you're just starting out, then this course is for you. It's supposed to be a training, so if you're watching this video, depending on when you're watching the video, the course will be available for you. You can get it 2005. You can get it before I increase the price. So we're using application like IBX Paint, X, Photoshop, Touch, and Pixellab. I'll show you how I make compelling design using my smartphone. Something like even this one, and many more on this one and the likes. You'll be seeing them on your screen just like using your smartphone. Alright, let's continue. Log this. I actually don't like the flyer, but in case you like it, that's why I'm just doing it for you. So I'll just come here from gallery. So I'll be looking for the picture of a particular building from my Pinterest board. So I'll come to my pins. Pinterest is not really showing me. Let me check my download. I've brought in this one. I'll just use this one like this. So the next thing I'll come to enable, draw this one here and draw this one here. So all those sharp edges on top, come to eraser. So come to this side here, then just erase. Okay, you know what? Then seems there's also another blue there. Okay, instead of the white, let me just position this one there and take away. You know what? Let's just disable this. So when we set it to this, we can reduce the smooth edges. Really wrong. So position this one here. Alright, cool. So just move it to the back. Okay, so we just come here and lock it. Okay, so we have this particular one here. So the next thing is just bringing our text. So I have one of those texts I used for the previous sponsor. I'll position this one here and I'll just bring this one out. You have this element with you. Or you just need to just come here and change the color. You can see it is white. I change the color to this. Anyway, I'll stick with this. Now I have my text, Fellowship Center. So see, this is how I did this fellowship center. I use poppins for my text. Poppins, let's see, is it medium? Okay, it was medium. So how did I change the color on the top? I'll just come here and just select this one on top, and I'll change. You see, if I change it to so that's what happened. So everything was by default was red, white. So I now change this here. So that's what we'll be doing. So I think I should just merge this one instead of just moving it one by one. This one, 1, 2, 3. I'll just merge this. So I'll just put on this one here. It's because I won't be changing the color. I don't think it's necessary. If you actually feel it's not legible enough, you can come here, add a bit of black. Just tap here. So stretch it out, send it to the back. Now that is that stretched out, we'll reduce the opacity so you can see a bit of those texts. Okay, I think we'll just stick with it like this, except you want to change the color. So I'll move this one. It's just because I'm kind of lazy to type. I don't want to just start typing. So that one is of no use, but if you want to use that one, you can also use it. So the next thing is we just so we can use poppins medium for the text, or I feel I should use a lighter version. Should we make it regular? Anyway, so that's everything. So let me just go to the original design I did anyway. I don't want to type. So you see this grace, the font I used was, I know you may just like the font, so I just feel it's a Gista display. So we have everything here, and that's all. So that's all for this particular tutorial. Okay, we just come here and save as image. After you put the type in and the rest, this color for the present, see, I actually reduce it to a level. I use one of these default Pixellab color. I use these colors a lot, especially this one, or this one. Okay, it was this one. So you can now save your design. You can see it's quite empty, right? So the next thing I'll be taking it is PS Express, PS Touch. So this is the design. All you need to just do is to bring it something is click on plus photo library, then plus photo library, then you just go wherever you have the picture, just click on the picture, then it's going to open it like this. So the next thing we'll be doing, we'll be adding a lens flare. You click on plus photo layer, photo library. I know where my lens flare is. So this is, I will just increase it. Then maybe I should just leave it like this first. Then I'll just turn the blend mode to screen. So then I'll just come to transform, position it here, and still stretch it out a bit. I don't really like the design because it looks empty. So come here, come to this place, reduce it to about, let's see, yeah, it's okay. So you just click on done. I won't be saving it because I have don't save. So let me see. Okay, how did I reduce this one? The opacity to, okay, 80. Well, you can leave yours as that one anyway. So the next thing is, so the image should be somewhere around here. So this is the one from PSCC. So I'll come to here in contrast. I'll add contrast to it. Come to, I think let me introduce the shadows, the white. Okay, so cool. I'll come to now. The most thing for this design was actually done in texture, these effects, clarity. Then I added green to it. Green add a bit of noise to the design. So when you come in, you now sharpen it to before and after. Alright, so we are good. And you can now click on this button. Where is that, my ball? Just to save. That's, you click on it, tell you to save. That's all for this video. We'll see in the next one. If you're actually wondering why this place is dark, all you just need, just create a blur. Maybe just select maybe black, or you may use brown. I think we used brown the other time, so just tap, increase this blur, increase the blur. Just make sure you increase the pen size. Just draw like this, then just click on it, then just draw like this. So you can reduce the opacity to any size you fit, and so that's how I did it.